Hey guys, it's Ellie from the Makery Co here, and today I'm going to run you through another one of our workshops in a box. This is our clutch workshop. So in this kit you'll receive a handmade clutch with a PVC outer and a canvas inner, which is where you actually paint your beautiful design, 8 paints, a set of brushes and a Posca pen. Let's get started.
Start by removing your canvas inner from the PVC outer case. It's always a good idea to have a cup of water and some paper towel handy while you're painting. Start with the largest brush and paint big sections of colour using the pink, ochre and blue. If you want the colours to remain bright and bold, don't blend the edges too much. This will help to avoid your colours from going muddy. With the completion of each layer, allow the paint to dry. You can always use a hairdryer to speed up the drying process. Clean your large brush and then dip into the aqua colour. Use this on its widest edge to create long, curvy lines. After that, clean it again and use the purple to create large clusters of dots, and then the white paint to do some white crosses. Use the next brush size down to add some clusters of small black dots, and then give everything a really good dry. Using one of the smaller brushes, you can also add some circular shapes. These don't need to be perfect. In fact, being a little messy can add to this look. From there, give your Posca pen a good shake and you can start to add extra details such as abstract stripes along the aqua lines and tiny polka dots on your clusters of black spots. Make sure everything is really dry before you insert the canvas back into the PVC case.
And there you have it, your very own hand-painted clutch. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we have lots of new designs coming out regularly. See ya!